Hey everybody, this is Wendy. Welcome. So excited that you're here today because I have an adorable card to show you. I did some fun masking and stamping using the new Cauldron Bubble bundle. It's hard to say. First I stamped my little cauldron and then I masked it off with a piece of masking paper that I cut out of Post-it note tape. And then I stamped my little witch on top of that because I wanted it to look like she was above the cauldron doing a little recipe for her stuff. I don't know. What do you call that? Her little, what do they call it? The bubble, toil, and trouble. That's my sentiment for this set. So right now it looks a mess, but when I pull that mask away, it's going to like be beautiful. It looks like Christmas. No, it doesn't look like Christmas. It looks like Halloween. But it's like Christmas because it's like revealing this little present underneath. You'll see that here in just a second. And then I'm going to use my Stampin' blends to color this whole scene. I ended up actually cutting this down also because it's pretty big, but I decided to cut it down. Now this is sped up 8 times its normal speed. So I'm going to give you a few tips on blends. Start with your darkest color and then go to your lightest. Add all the shadow areas first. I wanted this cauldron to look metal and look like it was kind of shiny in the middle, so I left it white in the middle, and then I went in with, I used the basic black on the edges and then the lighter basic black, and then I went in the center with some smoky slate. So it kind of gives this effect that it's round and looks a little bit like it could be shiny. And then I just chose very Halloween-y colors. I stuck with purple, orange, and green for all the rest of the colors. I left a little area there on her hat that's a little bit lighter because I wanted you to really be able to see some reflection in her hat. I also decided to make this witch African American because I'm really trying to make sure that I use different colors for different skin tones. In Sandy Yalnock, who I follow on YouTube, calls it the human rainbow. And so I think whatever nationality we are is the one we tend to color like. And so I've really been trying to branch out and make sure that I colored other nationalities too. I don't know if that sounds weird, but I think it's kind of fun to make sure that my cards represent the human rainbow. I love the way she puts that. So then I am just using a piece of the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper and putting it down, and I've cut down that little colored piece and put it on top of a piece of gorgeous grape cardstock and then added it to the front of the card, and it's done. That's it. Thanks for hanging out with me. I know this video is super quick. If you want to see other videos from me, click on either one of these. Click on the little circle with my face in it to subscribe to my channel, and all my supplies are listed below the video. You can purchase them there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you have an amazing day. Bye-bye.